Today, we are going to learn a very useful grammar pattern in Japanese. The grammar is 手置く、手置く。This pattern means to do something in advance or to prepare for something. It is used when you do an action before something happens in the future. Now, let's look at some examples. 会議の前に資料を読んでおきます。I will read the documents in advance before the meeting. 旅行の前にホテルを予約しておきました。I reserved the hotel in advance before the trip. 後で使うのでコピーしておいてください。Please make copies in advance because we will use them later.In real life, you use this grammar when you prepare for future situations. For example, work, travel, or daily tasks. It helps you show that you are planning ahead. To summarize, 手置く means to do something in advance or to prepare. Use it when you do something before it is needed.